This is my first Power BI project. So we have to you have to find the sales for city. So this is the CSV file. There is four column: country, state, city, and sales amount. So we have to visualize sales amount for city and sales amount for country. So this is the final output. So we have to this is the sales amount for city. Okay, and we can choose the country. If I click on the Australia, so all Australian city will be appear here and their sales according to their sales. If I maximize it, all this is the all country available, all countries data available in this data set. If I click on the US and